Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll provide you with a comprehensive guide on how to add a collection to your Facebook saved collections. By organizing your saved content into collections, you can easily access and manage your favorite posts, links, and more. Let's dive into the full guide. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your device. Look for the familiar blue icon with the white F logo and tap on it to launch the app. Step 2. Once you're on the Facebook home screen, locate the 3 stacked lines in the top right corner. Tap on them to reveal the Facebook menu. Step 3. In the menu, you'll find an option titled Saved under the All Shortcuts section. Tap on Saved to proceed. Step 4. Scroll down the saved page until you find the Collections section. Tap on the Create button within the Collections section to create a new collection. Step 5. In the collection creation screen, you can specify the privacy and accessibility settings for your collection. Choose whether you want it to be visible to the public, friends, or only yourself. Additionally, provide a name for your collection that reflects its content or theme. Congratulations! You have successfully added a collection to your Facebook saved collections. Now you can easily categorize and access your saved content with just a few taps. If you found this tutorial helpful, we kindly request that you give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest uploads. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to leave a comment below. We're here to help. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.